Hi friends, welcome to SPJK Technosoft YouTube channel. In this video you are going to see what are the topics covered in CBSE Computer Science subject in 10+1 class. Computer Fundamentals, Programming Methodology, Introduction to Python, Programming with Python. Do subscribe to our channel to get latest trending IT, pharma and academics related free videos and webinars. For more information about this course, please email us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Thank you for your time.
Welcome to SPJK Technosoft. Today we are going to discuss about CBSE Class 11 Computer Science course syllabus. The contents of the course syllabus are Computer Fundamentals, Programming Methodology, Introduction to Python, and Programming with Python. Beginning with Computer Fundamentals, we are going to cover Computer Fundamentals, Software Concepts, Data Representation in Computers, Microprocessors and Memory Concepts. Further, in Programming Methodology, we are going to see Algorithm and Flowcharts and Programming Methodology. In Introduction to Python, we are going to cover Getting started with Python, Functions, Conditional and Looping Constructs. In Programming with Python, we are going to learn about strings, lists, dictionaries, and tuples. Thank you.
Thank you viewers for your time. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest trending technology and academic related videos. For any further queries, please reach us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and goodbye.